Hello everyone. Today I am doing a video based off of a request by a commenter, and this video is just going to be basically showing you how to the settings, how to customize your Python window. So let's just open up that Python thing, and once that's opened up, I will start showing you. Okay, so if you want to change the colors, like as you can see, mine is nice blue colors. What you're gonna do is do options, configure idle, and then you can change the fonts. I use like a nice mono one. Then there's highlights. You can choose like dark, new, or classic, and you can also make a custom theme. But those are basically the themes, and then you can change the highlight type stuff. And then there's keys, which like if you want to make it so that like Control C does something different, you can just change those. Then there is the general things, which are just random preferences. I don't know. You can like change it so that there's a prompt or different things like that. And I don't know what these are. Anyway, so now I'm gonna show you how to use this. So if you want to create a new file, you just press that, and then you can make like a little bit of code. Like, for example, you can make it so that it just prints hi. Then you just go here and run the module. And then if you go here, it'll just do that. And then you can also open previously made things by doing this. Like this was something I made a while ago. And then and as you can see, it loads up all your code. And then you just run it like that. And it'll open up this. So, anyway, let's open back up the idle. Then there's the edit. So then there's some more things, like you can just save your things, save it as, and those are some other things. Then there's the edit, got your copy, paste, all those things that you would think of in edit. Shell, you can like restart the shell, which will just open up a new line, whatever. Debugger, it doesn't work great in my experience, but you can use it. There's these, I already showed you some of those. There's the window, it just shows you the window, and then there's some help.